you want to make a foamy latte. So how do you make a foamy latte? Easiest way is to use the meta ball. So Shift A, search. You're going to search for the meta ball. Sorry, the meta ball. S, scale it down, and you're going to scale it down to so it kind of fits in here. So this will create a nice cartoon. There we go. Let's go ahead and give this a material. Let's do new material. And what we probably want for this is a diffuse. Let's go into material preview. And I think we kind of like want a bit of an orangish. There we go. S, scale it down. And then of course, what we're going to do is we're going to do from bird's eye view, Shift D, and just go all the way around like this. And now if we really want to do, if we want to make this look like it's animating, we're going to hit the record button. We're going to do Shift D. So we're just going to move this down like this. And then we're going to have this guy go upwards, and then it's going to get slowly smaller. Let's say something like that. So now if we hit play, so it's very basic. If we do this right, we can do this a couple of times as well. And there we go. Now we have a cartoon little latte, and it's bubbling up from the foam. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.